Hello, I have completed your project. Now as you said, you were using PCB way, so I am going to show you their online Gerber viewer of the PCB way. Okay. Uh, Now I am going to upload the files. This is the stator, and this is how it looks. Okay, the dimension, you can confirm it from here to here. The x of this ellipse is 80 millimeter, and here to here the y from there to here, it is the y axis is roughly around 120 millimeters. Okay, and this is how it looks on top, and this is the bottom side. Okay, there is one via like we wanted, and all the others are holes. And the thickness, I have kept it for the total thickness of this board is 1 millimeter. Okay, and I think it is up to you to choose. Where is it? Thickness, yes, this is thickness. You have to select it like here, from here. Okay, the thickness, it does not depend upon your Gerber files, because what does depend, they show it here. For Gerber file the choice is useless. Okay, so it can be selected here. Okay, so now spacer 1. So spacer 1, this is its top, and this is the bottom side. There is just this one via. Okay, this one. And this one thickness I kept 0.4 millimeter, plus the thickness of the top copper layer and the bottom skill screen, etc. It roughly around about its thickness is like 0.48, something like this, but it does not give you the option to choose the thickness, so you are forced to choose the thickness of 0.4 millimeter, because the board does not come in that customizable resolution. You know, they do not have a board for every thickness you want, so you have to select 0.4 plus the copper layer thickness and the other thickness. It adds up, you know. So now we have spacer 2. Now this one I made two versions of it. Okay, this one I made just like you wanted in the photos: spacer 2 back, spacer 2 front. Okay, there is no copper strip, ellipse of copper strip. Okay, like in the one. And but you said in this file, instruction file, that error on files, there should be the same copper ellipse rigs from spacer 1 on spacer 2 front as well. Now only okay, so I made two versions of it. Here you go. This one is spacer 2, as you can see. Instead of a via, this is a regular hole. Its thickness is also 0.4 millimeter. I kept the PCB thickness 0.4 millimeter so that there are no problems with the manufacturer. Okay, so this one is I kept 0.4 millimeter. I don't know if it transfers to a Gerber files or not, because you have the option to choose from here. Okay, so now that was all, I think. Yeah, yes, that was all of them. So